So I'm gonna go ahead and get my torch mounts on my Cobot arm here. So what I'm gonna do is take my top mount and I'm opening these. And placing them around the arm. And I want this to be fixed towards the back end of the arm. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and slide these on, like so. I'm gonna go ahead and hand tighten my nuts. And then take my socket and tighten these on. Now that my top mount's on, I can put the side mount on. And this is going to be in the center of the arm. Now my torch mounts are on my Cobot arm and I'm ready to get my torch installed.